Wait, where'd it go? No. No, I'm not dying like this. Papa, I'm not dying like this. There it is. I see it. I see it. I see it. I'm going. I'm going. I'm going. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Everything All at One channel. And today we are playing Raft. I have been waiting to play this for like a week, but I had it at a different video and I had other stuff to do. I'm sorry, but we're finally here today. And, yeah. So, we're playing Raft. So we're just gonna go new world. World name will be everything all at once R for Raft. Friends can join. Nobody can join. Yeah. Create world. So, here we go. Really hope OBS doesn't crash while I'm recording this because I am worried about it. I watched a tutorial on how to use OBS and the guy was talking about it crashing or something, so we are in though. I guess we'll get right to it then. So yeah, this is Raft. There's a little guy down there who doesn't like us very much. The sun is burning my eyes. I'm sorry. Didn't catch anything there. So a lot of this probably gonna be recording for like an hour, but a lot of it will be cut out most likely because this is just what I'm gonna be doing for about an hour until I find an island. But sorry, I thought I saw a plank. It was just a light. Ooh, was that a double? No, it wasn't. Okay, rope. What does it take to make a rope? To make a rope. I'm so intelligent, guys. Rope. Okay. Now, go build hammer, craft, get that plastic. And now we can expand our raft. Finally. But I do want to suck up on palm leaves. Never mind. I'll just keep collecting these barrels, I guess. I don't deserve the palm leaves. I see an island coming up. Okay. Oh, wait a second. That might have been useless, but yeah, it's fine. Come on, go, go, go! Just missed it. Come on. Why'd I jump? I'm so stupid. No, come back. Okay. Alright, so we can expand the raft a little bit. We're doing good, man. We already got some of the raft built. I just need more plastic, but we have 12 planks right now. A couple palm leaves. No. Ow! Scary stuff, man. Alright. Oh, the shark is eating our boat. Amazing. Come on, get there. Please, I need more plastic so I can repair the boat. Alright, repaired the boat. Then we will get simple purifier. You always want to put it on the middle tiles, then it's hardest for the... I'm going for it, guys, I'm going for it. Can I run? Can I shift? No? Okay. Get me up, I can't get up. No, I have to go back. Come on. Raft, get me to safety, please. I'm back on, guys, we did it. Okay, next objective is, I guess, a grill. And a cup. Simple grill, one more rope, and we have simple grill. Alright. Place some planks. Now I need an empty cup, which I can make. So, we have water. Water has been achieved, gentlemen, and I see another raft coming up. So, get there. Oh, I got it. That's so cool. I'm so happy I got it. Alright, I'm gonna go for that in just a second. Okay. Go! Oh, get the plastic, get the plastic, get the plastic. No! Shark, don't eat me, please! Ah, I escaped. Don't eat my raft either. Oh no, it's sinking! Oh, I'm going, I'm going, I'm going, I'm going! I got a coconut? What? What did that say I got? It said I got something. I got like a blueprint for something. Yeah, a coconut bee. Huh. I have no idea what that is. I am like used to like old school Raft, so I've barely any. I know how this game ends, but I haven't played the final chapter like ever. Last time I played this, there wasn't even an ending. I have not played this since like the dinosaurs existed. Also, I think I am going to make a wooden sphere. Well, I got something. I don't know exactly what I wanted, but it's fine. Ooh-wee! That gave us a lot of bomb sticks. Alright. I will expand the raft a bit more. Oh, it's saving, I think. Auto saves, that's good. Kind of more rope. Alright, come on, bring the rope to me. Future me. Turn up the brightness. This is like really dark. There's not even a moon. Where is the moon? Oh, never mind. This is still really dark with or without the moon. So, future me. Would you be so kind to turn up the brightness now? Okay, thank you, future me. Thank you so much. Alright, do I have enough rope to make this? Yes, I do. Okay, do I have enough material to expand the raft a bit more? I also do, yes. Okay, I need more planks, though. Cooked potato. Pretty soon, we won't need to be eating cooked potatoes, now will we? If you're watching this, thank you if you are. Make sure to like and subscribe. But make sure to put in the comments what you guys think we should name the shark, because just like any good Raft series, we got to give that guy a name. Alright. Yes, my comments are enabled now, by the way. I'm sorry that they weren't up until this point, but you just gotta deal with it, guys, okay? You just gotta deal with it. Okay, come back here, great. What does it take to build a small crop plot? You know what, I'll build one right now, since we got some stuff to plant. And since we got some more room. It'll go right there. Oh, I need more water. Oh my god, I'm about to die. Okay. Cooked tilapia. I'm not getting that. Alright. Oh, I can make a research table. Alright. I will put the research table right there. Give me that plank. Let me put the potato on there. Actually, I should just like make another crop plot and then put exclusively like, yeah, I should make 2 crop plots and I should just be able to put like exclusively stuff on there. Did it just delete both of all my crops from doing that? Oh my god. Okay. Yep. Okay. So I have the extra crop plot now, so I don't even have as many potatoes as I could use, but we have 2 crop plots. Alright. So please. should make another water purifier at some point. Okay. Man, Raft life is good, man. I like this. I don't know why I waited so long to play this game. I forgot how... Oh, I can sprint. I didn't even know I could sprint. That's amazing. Oh my god, I can sprint. I have 2 baked potatoes in my inventory, and I'm just doing nothing with them. I just realized that. I mean, like, put in the comments. You guys good with calling me? Okay. Is Charlie a good name? Can we call it Charlie, guys? What do you guys think? Say in the comments what you guys think. I'll fill that up. Alright, like I said, I have 2 baked potatoes in my inventory. Alright, and then I am going to make an extra water purifier. Because water is currently our most needed resource. And I see an island coming up. Alright, let's research some stuff. I researched that, yep. I researched that, yep. I cannot research that. If I can research a stone. Enable that automatically gets research. I can research rope. Research that. Plank, let's research. Oh, okay, I can't research that stuff. Plastic. Alright, let's learn all that. Wait, where is he? Oh, I don't know what that was. I thought that he was attacking our boat. Game is doing very weird things, guys. Give me that. Am I gonna go over that island? No, it's too far away. I'm sorry, guys. Alright. Those 2 things of plastic right there. I don't know why I passed that up. Grab the plank so I can get it. Ah, get it, get it, get it, get it. Ah, I got it. Let's go. Alright. Let's go. Boop. And we got it. Get away. Guard my crops, which means they're ready. No, they're... Plastic, come on, get it. Ah, I didn't get it. Okay. Get it, please. Oh, it actually reached. It didn't get it though. What? You should have gotten that. Game, what is this? You can clearly see that I am grabbing that. Thank you. No, no, get away, get away. Can I seriously not pick this up? Oh, no, I can't. Okay. The game isn't let it. Okay. Amazing. Come on. Alright, okay. Let me get the... Okay. Let's place those raw potatoes. Water it. Harvest this. Come on. That's fine. Just get the planks. Get the planks, everything. Alright. And I'll that. Place a raw potato there. I have been letting. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Go, get back on, get back on. Okay. We're doing good. Ah, come back here. Come back here, shark. Get back here if you're brave enough. Ah. I'm back. Fight me, you coward. Ah. Ah. Where's the raft? Wait, where'd it go? No, I'm not dying like this. Papa, I'm not dying like this. There it is, I see it, I see it, I see it. I'm going, I'm going, I'm going. Eat something. Child, eat something. Come on. No. Don't kill me. Shark, please, I know I was stupid. Ow. Oh. I'm so close to the raft. I was right there. Okay, I'll surrender and respawn. Dude, and now my freaking hook's gone and I don't have enough plastic to get shark. I need more plastic, please. Please, plastic. Nope, that didn't give me any plastic. Okay. What do I, you know what, I'm gonna remove this research table. I'm gonna replace it right there. And then what do I need to make a sail? I need just a couple more palm leaves and a couple more planks. So, I guess we'll get to work on that. No, no, Charlie, no, no! I hate Charlie. I can build a lantern. No, I'm gonna build that. Right there. That actually lights up everything pretty well. I mean, was it really the best thing to spend my planks on? Probably not. But did I like it? Yeah. Ooh, decoration package. Alright. Save. I need one palm leaf. Right there, cluster 3. Okay, and there we go. We have ourselves a functional boat. Okay, nowhere particular I want to go right now. We missed our chance for that island back there, so. Did I learn the collection yet? Not yet. I don't know if I did. Oh, we have a medium crop plot. What does it take to learn the old collection net? Collection net. We need a nail. How do I build a nail? I need scrap, which means we need to get to an island. All right. Axe. I need some rope, and I need some planks. Which there are no planks. So, well, I would like it if you could stop that. Stop that. Wait. I want to harvest stuff. I want to get stuff. Watermelon. Amazing. Yellow flower. Okay, great. More flower. Red flower. Ton of red flowers. Pineapple. Ooh, amazing. Blue flower, even better. No. Pineapple. Blue flower. No, come back, ship. I don't want this to be like last time. It will be like last time. Shark, I am willing to defend myself. Let me back on. Let me back on. Let me back on. Let me back on. Okay. Alright. You see that sail in the distance, my friends? All ahead. Because we are going to it. That raft in the distance, I mean. I got it, 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 I should have... No, wait, ow! No, stop, rotate back. Go that way. Come on, we're gonna hit this thing. Probably. Close it up. I'm going, Captain. No, I am the captain. The captain can't die. Oh my god, I just stopped. I dropped so much stuff. No, wait, stop. Stop. No, not again. Not again. Not again. Not again. Ah! Okay, so we have absolutely no way of getting that. Okay, so I just need to empty my inventory. Where's the stuff at? Alright. We can go faster. We just sail going forward. You know, I don't. Okay. Okay, so that's all the seeds that we got and everything. Our food situation is pretty much handled as of right now. So just fill the grill back up. Eat to my heart's content. Then get some more water. And now we don't have to worry about any of that. Look at that, we're doing stuff. Barrel, come on, Barrel. Wait, is that moving away from us or towards us? Towards us, okay. Where's my building hammer? Wait, come on. Okay. Build hammer. I don't have any planks. Get that. We got it. We got a ton of planks and palm leaves, but no scrap. Okay. Oh, plank. Okay. No, wait, no. Reel it in. Ah! Get back here! Sorry. Do anything around here. Alright. Come on, Barrel. Come on! Get there! Get there, please! For the love of God. Okay. Okay, here we go. Do it. And now. Okay. Don't know what I can mine exactly. Here, right? Scrap. I need scrap. Get my raft. Still there. More scrap. Ow! Got me, guys. Got me real good. Alright, I think I can just hold off for a second. But I do need to go back and build something. Right? Need to go back and build this. Oh my god, I need so much plastic. Oh, we can start with that. Come on, reach. Alright, gotta get a running start. Ugh! Okay, I just gotta go get it. Ow. Come on, I don't see it, 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 I don't see it. I'm just gonna start. No. Please get me back on the raft. Hey, little. Alright. Are we moving? Oh, we're pulling away from the shore. Ah, come on, get as much plastic as I can. Woo, 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 woo. Alright. You've been good to us, Island. You've been very good to us. Right here. Alright. We got it, guys. One storage coming up. Not the plastic. All of our flowers will be here. Where'd all the flowers go? Oh, they're just gone. Okay. Well, we can get more at the next stop, I guess. I'm not going back. More plastic. Okay. Alright, well, with that, I think that I will end the video now. So, this has been Everything All at Once. I will see you all in the next one. Remember to like and subscribe. Put in the comments what you think the name of the shark should be, or just tell me if you think Charles is fine. And yeah, this has been Everything All at Once. I will see you in the next one, and goodbye.